Are there things that positive leaders can do to engage and energize people, their teams?
Yes, absolutely. Let's just take that concept of meaning in the work. It probably is time to have some resets around that. It's been a pretty tumultuous couple of years here. So let's recenter our organization around what is our purpose and why are we doing this work and what part do I play in it? People having meaning in their work matters a lot to the level of energy. Some of the things we just talked about, giving people more discretion in decision making, making sure that everyone can bring their best self and use their strengths in their work. All of those principles apply. And here's the one thing that I think we sometimes don't talk about that's super important is make the workload manageable for people. I think many of us ended up with too much work on our plates and a fair amount of exhaustion, if you will, and even some burnout. So really addressing that issue proactively is important. Make the workload manageable.